Chocolate.
Yeah. Do you like chocolate?
Yes.
Chocolate. Spell, how do you spell chocolate?
CHOCOLATE.
Chocolate, right? Like this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Chocolate. Food is chloroplaster slip block. Right. A food what? In the form of paste. In form of paste or solid. You know solid? Rừng á. Solid block made from made from what? Made from roast hit and ground has theo grind huh? ground cacao seeds especially sweetened and sweetened as confectionery. Okay. Example: a bar of chocolate. Okay. Kavi, number 2. Soup.
Number 2. Soup.
Number 2, soup, right?
Yeah.
Soup.
Sầm lò.
Soup mà hộp tắcឬក៏ហៅថាសម្ល right?
Yes.
Huh?
Dây chờ.
Okay, a liquid dish, right? គឺជាម្ហូបទឹក liquid, sorry. Liquid dish. Okay, cáiដាក់សម្លទឹក right? Number 3. Okay, do you like soup, Thavi?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Bread. Let me check. Okay, Siêu Mây. Siêu Mây, how are you, Siêu Mây?
Yes.
Mây.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bread.
Bread nôm pang.
Yeah, bread nôm pang.
Pang.
Okay, bread nôm pang. Food what? Food made of flour. You know flour?
Xào.
Flour, right? Flour, water.
Hello.
And yeast. Okay, yeast. Yeast nó khai hơn mi tờ bãi á.
Đúng rồi.
Mi lang á. Mix together and bake. Mix together and bake. Okay. Do you like bread, Simay?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Where do you buy it? Simay, where do you buy it?
I buy it in the hand chain.
Okay, hand chain, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ôi, Yatani?
Hello, sir.
Okay. Rice. What is the meaning of my rice?
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Okay, please open the book on page 20. All right. Let's swarm.
Yes.
Okay. okay swamp grass oh, sorry a swamp grass which is widely cultivated as a source of food especially in Asia. Okay, sorry. The grain, the grain of rice គឺជាគ្រាប់ស្រូវណា used as food. Oh, sorry. Used as food. Oh, sorry, rice. Only see. Sorry. Yutani, can you cook rice?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
You can?
Yes.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I like. Yeah, yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay, not yes, I like. Okay. Hello, Vichia. Vichia.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, cereal. Cereal. What's in Khmer cereal?
Crop cho nó chia đây chia.
Cereal study already, right? Cereal, you know, eh?
Crop cho nó chia. Mà tập hả? Vậy mà.
Vichia, what's it? You can read in English, okay? A grain used for food, for example, wheat, maize, wheat, srau salai, right? Maize or maize, right? Mà srau salai thì có food trên đàm, đang hai cái mấy? Vichia,
Yes, teacher.
what is called in Khmer? Cereal.
គ្រាប់ធនជាតិ
Yes, that's right. So, do you like cereal?
No, I don't.
Why? Ở đây mìnhចូលចិត្ត Hãy đi bạn ôngចូលចិត្ត ôngចូលចិត្តមកពីmìnhចូលចិត្ត
Because
Okay, you don't like it. Raksmay, your turn. It's your turn now. The first one you tell us already, but now it's your turn because today only 5 students join the class. Pesta. What's in pesta? This originally from Italy. Pesta, pesta.
Mì Italy.
Mì Italy. You sure?
Rồi có spaghetti. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti different. Pasta.
Pasta. Pasta. Bộ phải có pasta lại chứ.
Yes. I call the same pasta.
Okay.
យើងក៏ហៅ pasta ដែរ pasta ធ្វើពីអាចមានជាមីស័យធំឬក៏អាចគេអាដូចនេះហ៎អាចគេហៅដូចតកៅអាគេយកធ្វើនំហ៎ដែរឃើញទេមើលផ្លែដូចតកៅអាហ្នឹងអាសាច់ដូចលើកស្វិតអញ្ចឹងណាអាហ្នឹងយើងហៅ pasta ដូចម្ដងផ្ទះខ្ញុំគេធ្វើអាហ្នឹងហៅមកចែកហៅ pasta ដែរ sorry ឬក៏មីអ៊ីតាលីដូចយើងថាអត់ហ្នឹងអាមួយទៀតនំបញ្ចុកអ៊ីតាលី Some food we cannot translate right? Like the same as my food, right? Like curry soup, right? Cocoa soup, okay? ចឹងម្ហូបមួយចំនួនគឺយើងមិនអាចបកប្រែយើងហៅឈ្មោះតែម្ដងដូចខ្មែរយើងម្ហូបខ្មែរយើងហ្នឹង study or stand into various shape and typically oh, shape, sorry typically cooked in boiling water ចាំអា place start នេះនឹង number 7 milk ថាវី milk
Miếngទឹកដោះគោចា
milk ទឹកដោះគោ in Khmer, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you explain in English milk? Yes. That's cool. The milk from what? We can say the milk from cows, goat as consumed by human, right? Yes. The milk what? From cow. Mostly from cow. Or goat. You know goats are goat. What animals? Goats. Or sheep. As consumed by human. Okay. The last one, soda. Oh, sorry. Who know the word soda? Japanese soda. What the name? Soda.
ខូចមិនឆប់មកដឹងណែហ្នឹងអត់ដឹងហ្នឹង
Soda ហ្នឹងខ្មែរយើងហៅមិន soda ខ្មែរហៅ soda ដែរ right? The same.
ចា
Yeah, soda. In English, explain carbonated water. Right? Carbonated water. មកទឹកសូដាយើងហ្នឹង originally made with sodium, right? With sodium by carbonate, right? By carbonate. Drunk alone or mixed. Drunk alone or mixed with alcohol. Okay? Or alcoholic drink. Alcoholic drink គេគឺភេទជ្ជៈដែលមានគ្រឿងស្រវឹងដូចជាស្រាយ៉ាងហ្នឹង or fruit juice. Okay. Okay, now I read to you again. Listen to me carefully. Unit 2, lesson 5. Vocabulary. 1. Chocolate. 2. Soup. 3. Bread. 4. Rice. 5. Cereal. 6. Pasta. 7. milk, 8 soda. Okay, Rexma, read first, please.
Vocabulary. Chocolate. Number 2, soup. Number 3, bread.
Okay.
Number 4, rice. Number 5, cereal. Number 6, pasta. Number 7, milk. Number 8, soda.
Okay. Thavi. Thavi, your turn, please.
Yes, sir.
Anh
Number
Tiên tiếp.
one. Number 1, chocolate. Number 2, soup. 3, bread. Number 4, rice. Number 5, cereal. Number 6, pasta. Number 7, milk. Number 8, soda.
Okay. Yatani. Yatani.
Dạ chờ.
Okay, please read.
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Chocolate. Soup. Bread. Rice. Cereals. Pasta. Milk. Soda.
Okay. Simai, please, your turn. Simai.
Number vocabulary. Number 1, chocolate. Number 2, soup. Number 3, bread. Number 4, rice. Number 5, cereal. Number 6, pasta. Number 7, milk. Number 8, soda.
Okay. Vichian.
Vocabulary. Number 1, chocolate. Number 2, soup. Number 3, bread. Number 4, rice. Number 5, cereal. Number 6, pasta. Number 7, milk. Number 8, soda.
Okay. Now I read to you again. Listen to me carefully. Vocabulary. 1, chocolate. 2, soup. 3, bread. 4, rice. 5, cereal. 6, pasta. 7, milk. 8, soda. Do you know well? Hello? Do you know where? Just start now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's listen to the transcript together.
Unit 2, Lesson 4, Activity 1.
Okay, Unit 2, Lesson 4.
Unit 2, Lesson 5, Activity 1.
Okay.
Page 20. Listen, point, and say. 1,
chocolate,
2,
soup,
3,
bread,
4,
rice,
5,
cereal,
6,
pasta,
7,
milk,
8,
soda.
Okay, now listen to the transcript again. Okay, here we go.
Unit 2, Lesson 5, Activity 1, page 20. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Chocolate,
2,
soup,
3,
bread,
4,
rice,
5,
cereal,
6,
pasta,
7,
milk,
8,
soda.
Okay, do you want to listen to the transcript again or not? Hello, hello. Hello. Do you want to listen to the text script again or not? Chẳng stop nó tiết ở đấy. Hello. 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 Where you are? Tao nói. Hello, hello. Hello.
Hello sir.
Chẳng stop nó tiết ở. Do you want to listen to it again? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay. Let's go to number 2. Okay. Do exercise. Complete, right, the sentences. 1. What the the. Okay, please. The blah 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 next to the soda. Please look at the picture on page 20. Mưa rút nơi tầm qua tình phải đứng.
Wait, sir.
Please. What the name?
Wait, sir, wait.
Đợi kì.
Again.
Đó, đợi
So
kì.
that means sir.
Mưa rút nơi number 2.
The chocolate next to
No,
is
soda.
next
It's
to
next to the soda. Please look at the picture.
or answer.
Yeah.
Meal.
Yeah. The meal.
The meal is next to
The meal is next
to soda.
the soda, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tavi. The what?
The chocolate and the soup
Chocolate
are
and
on
the chocolate and
the soup.
the soup and the soup
Are on the table.
are okay are on the table. Okay. Are on the table. That's my number 3.
The bread is under the rice.
Again, the bread
The bread is under the rice.
is under the rice.
Right.
The bread is under the rice. Sư Mai.
Còn với thơ một.
Sư Mai.
Yes, sir.
Number 4. Next to the pasta.
Number 4, the number 4.
The
Number
cereal.
4,
The
the
cereal.
cereal is next to the pasta.
Okay, is next to the pasta. Okay, right. Which year? Which year?
Sir.
Okay, now I give you one more. The bread. Oh, sorry. The soda. The soda. What? Please look at the soda.
Is
Is
next to
next to
the meal.
the meal. Okay, the soda is next to the meal. And who? One more. Number 7. Who? Let me check. Are we? Oh, Pirum, right? Hello, Pirum. Hello, Pirum. Pirum. How are you, Phirom? Phirom? Hello? Hello, Phirom? Phirom? Phirom, where are you? Phirom? Hello, Phirom?
Ôi trời.
Phirom, where are you, Phirom? Phirom cho được trả lời. Phirom, where are you? Phirom, vẹt đây Phirom.
Ôi trời.
Vẹt đây Phirom. Hello. No answer. Này khuyên quát châu rồi. I see. Yeah, vẹt đây Phirom. No answer. Hello, vẹt đây Phirom. You here? Okay. Let's skip. Bao giờ làm luôn. Bởi con ắt nói. Con bạn từ sắp cháu làm xuống. Ắt nói sao? Okay, please read all the sentences. Bethany, please read first from number 1 to number 5.
Again, sir.
Okay, read all. Read all the sentences from number 1 to number 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Right.
Number 1, the milk.
Chụp chăm lên, sir.
Just wait, not to jump plate.
Wait. Complete the sentence. 1. The milk is next to the soda. Number 2. The chocolates and the soup are on the table. 3. The bread is under the rice. Number
Rice.
4. Rice.
Right, okay.
Rice. Number 4. The cereal is next to the pasta. Number 5. The soda is next to the milk.
Okay, Havi, please. Your turn. Havi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read.
Number one, the milk is next to the soda. Number 2, the chocolate and the soup are on the table. Number 3, the bread is under the rice. Number 4, the cereal is next to the pasta. Number 5, the soda is next to the milk.
Okay, thank you. Rasmai, please, your turn.
Teacher, complete the sentences.
Yes.
1. The milk is to the soda. Number 2. The chocolate and the soup are on the table. Number 3. The bread is under the rice. Number 4. The cereal is next to the pasta. Number 5. The soda is next to the milk.
Okay. Sumai, please, your turn. Sumai,
Number
hello,
1.
please read.
Yes, sir. Number 1, the milk is next to the soda. 2, the chocolate and the soup are on the table. 3, the bread is under the rice. 4, the cereal is next to the pasta. 5, the soda is next to the milk.
Okay. Vichia, your turn.
Number 1, the milk is next to the soda. Number 2, the chocolate and the soup are on the table. 3, the bread is under the rice. 4, the cereal is next to the pasta. 5, the soda is next to the milk.
Okay. Phirom, are you here, Phirom? 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 No, khuyên cháu ắt lỗi. Phirom no. Okay, now I read to you again. Listen to me carefully. Complete the sentences. 1. The milk is next to the soda. 2. The chocolate and the soup are on the table. 3. The bread is under the rice. 4. The cereal is next to the pasta. 5. The soda is next to the milk. Okay. One more. do you catch up with my teaching and do you know how to complete the sentence with the vocabulary តន់ណាហើយចេះបំពេញណាជាមួយនឹងពាក្យហ្នឹង Okay, now let's move another point number 3. One more. Write the food. 3. Write the food and say. Okay, what need first? Number 3. In my house, please. What? We what? We have for what? What need? In my house.
We have a អត់យល់ឆើឲ្យធ្វើគេ
នេះមើលលេខ3ឃើញទេនៅទំព័រទី20អូនៅ book number 3 write the food and say អញ្ចឹងក្នុងផ្ទះរបស់ខ្ញុំណាពួកយើងញ៉ាំអីគេសមាហាពីប្រាប់ please choose one word from the box.
We have rice.
We have rice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, have rice. Okay, have rice. We have rice for
breakfast.
Okay, for breakfast. Okay, we have rice for breakfast. Okay. Howie, in my house, we have what?
rice and soup.
Have rice and soup. For what?
For lunch.
Okay, for lunch. Okay, for lunch. Let me change the color of the letter. For lunch. Okay. Thank you. Number 3. That's my in my house. We have. That's right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Choose the word from the box
In my
and complete the
house.
sentence. In my house,
We have
what for dinner?
rice
Rice
and soup
and soup. Right, and soup. For what?
and juice for chúng mới chết sir.
Okay, let me check. Okay. Rice, soup,
Rice, juice
and juice.
and juice.
Juice or and juice? And juice, right?
Yes,
And juice. Okay. And juice.
for dinner.
Okay, for dinner. For dinner. Okay. My house.
Tell me man.
We have.
Tell me man. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that.
Right? In my house.
Yes, sir. In my house,
Breakfast, lunch, or dinner is up to you.
rice and egg.
We have.
We have rice and egg for breakfast.
Well, rice and eggs. Okay.
For breakfast.
Yeah, for breakfast. Okay. For breakfast. Here in my house.
In my house, we have
What?
rice and soup for breakfast.
Rice and soup.
Soup for breakfast.
Okay, for breakfast. For breakfast. Okay, please. Read it again. What read first? Read all. Take turn to read all. Okay, please read all. Take turn to read. Chẳng
Yeah.
am làm đong,
Yeah.
am làm đong. Please.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Number one, in my house we have
In
rice
my
for
house
breakfast.
là pork. In my house.
House.
Yes.
In my house we have rice for breakfast. Number two, in my house we have rice and soup for lunch. Three, in my house we have rice, soup and juice for dinner. Four, in my house we have rice and egg for breakfast. Five, in my house we have rice and soup for breakfast.
Okay, thank you for reading. Please, Tavi, your turn. Please read.
Number one,
Yes.
in my house we have rice for breakfast. Number two, in my house we have rice and soup for lunch. Number three, in my house we have rice, soup and juice for dinner. Number four, in my house we have rice and egg for breakfast. Number five, in my house we have rice and soup for breakfast.
Okay, thank you. Ratsmai, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read.
Yeah. Number one, in my house we
My
have
house.
rice for
My house. My house.
My house. In my house we have rice for breakfast. In my house we have rice and soup for lunch. Number three, in my house we have rice, soup and juice for dinner. Number four, in my house we have rice and egg for breakfast. Number five, in my house we have rice and soup for breakfast.
Okay, Simai, please, your turn.
Number one, in my house we have rice for breakfast. Number two, in my house we have rice and soup for lunch. Number three, in my house we have rice, soup and juice for dinner. Number four, soup.
Yeah.
Number four, in my house we have rice and egg for breakfast. Number five, in my house we have rice and soup for breakfast.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your reading. Please, your turn, Vichia. You are the last one. Vichia, please read.
Number one, in my house we have rice for breakfast. Number two, in my house we have rice and soup for lunch. Number three, in my house we have rice, soup and juice for dinner. Number four, in my house we have rice and eggs for breakfast. Number five, in my house we have rice and soup for breakfast.
Okay, thank you for reading. Okay, before we finish our lesson, please ask me any question if you have problem with you have problem with your pronunciation or vocabulary or your writing. Please ask me. Hello, please ask me if you have any problem. មានកន្លែងណាមានបញ្ហាទេសួរមក Wherever, whatever you don't understand, please ask me. I explain you again. Hello? Hello? No one answer? All of you keep silent. Why?
No, teacher.
មានកន្លែងណាមិនទាន់ទេ Wherever you don't understand or whichever you don't understand or whatever you don't understand, please ask me. តន់ទេទាំងអស់គ្នាហ្នឹងអត់ទេ
Yes.
ខ្ញុំរៀនខ្ញុំសួរថាតន់អត់បើមិនតន់កន្លែងណាសួរផងណា
Tuan, sir, Tuan.
អ្នកផ្សេងទៀត and other student please
One, two,
Hey Simay got it
Yes, sir.
Vichia got it
Yeah, teacher.
Thavi got it
Yeah, teacher.
Ratsmay got it
Yes, teacher.
Botany got it
teacher.
Okay I hope that after you study this lesson, you will be able to use the vocabularies and you will be able to write the sentences in English, okay? Thank you. Goodbye. Wish you have good luck. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.